Alright, so here's a video of how I make my lumbar plexus. It's actually very simple. So you just make 6 lines, 4, 5, and 6. So this will be our T12, L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. Now how arrows have a tail, so just make these arrow tails for first 5, then skip one gap and join the second gap, skip third gap, join the fourth gap. So there you go, almost 85% is done. Now you start naming it, and this will be your subcostal, which would be only T12. Then join these two and you will get your iliohypogastric, which would be your T12 and L1. Then this will be your ilioinguinal, which would be only L1. This is your genitofemoral, which would be your L1 and L2. Now what you have to do is join the upper branch of L2 with upper branch of L3, and you will get your lateral femoral cutaneous. So this will be your L2, L3. Now join the lower L2 with lower L3, and imagine that as if they're coming down, they would take away L4 upper with them. So this will give you a femoral, L2, L3, and L4. And now your L4 is lonely, so it will go down, but it will meet L5 over there, so it will be happy and it will make lumbosacral. So L4 and L5. Now the only thing that doesn't fit into an easy scheme is your obturator, and for that all you have to do is make a branch from L2 to meeting point of this, and you will get your obturator. So that will be L2, L3, and L4. Alright, there you go. I hope it helps.